It's the beginning of January and we got lots of rain and snow, and I wanted to take you through what happens with these skylights, because this is actually a particularly good skylight. But keep an eye on what's going on around the corner here, because we're finding that a lot of the time all the way around these areas is where these skylights are leaking. I mean, this one hasn't been put in, whoever put this in so tight up against there, well, that's a disaster waiting to happen, isn't it? But it's a matter of, what do you do? Somewhere along the line you've got to try and do something. So here we cleaned the glass and we're going around getting ready to do a nice liquid seal around the outside, because we're finding that these joints along here are leaking. It's crazy. Here, this is it finished now, all getting ready to pack up and go, but you can just see that we put a liquid system all the way around just on that seal, and that seems to have solved the problem. Closer look for you of how it's going on all the way around. Another close look for it. So you'll see the theme all the way going through this video, which is only just a load of stills. I thought still photographs. I thought I'd show it to you because it's something that we seem to be doing an awful lot. I just had a customer phone me and he said, look, people have been down and tried to fix it. They just cannot fix it. And we've had all sorts of repairs done. But at the end of the day, we're finding that when we're doing these repairs around it like this is actually stopping it, and most of the time it's leaking through some of these joints around the edges. Now this one, we've gone right away over the top. Just note, there's a lot of work involved. Look how clean we've had to get it all before we can do it. And there you go, there's the finished product all the way around. Unfortunately, without making it too bulky, you can't build it up too much, in which case, we can't guarantee how long it's going to last. But you can see how many of these we're doing like this, and there's a lot of people today. I say 3 or 4 people today have already phoned up and said, I've got problems with my skylights and no one can solve exactly what's going through. So you're welcome to stop on any of these. I'm just flicking through them because these are just the ones that I've got on record of what's going on and how we've done this. But at the end here, I'll just show you how we get to doing some of them with a reinforcing. So let's just get to the end of that. As you can see, some of these look really nice. Of course, we take the time to make them look nice where you can see them. If you can't see them, we won't always make them look as nice as this. Obviously around a skylight and looking out on top of it. I mean, you take this one, this roof is not seen, even though we're making it quite nice, it's not seen, and it was in a terrible state everywhere else. But yet this solved the leaking around it, but it was soft all the way around the outside of this particular one. And this is Bob, my son-in-law, and he's just peeling it off on this particular roof. And that just gives you an idea of the the time it does take to do it if you want to do it properly and neatly. Hopefully this has helped people out there with their leaking skylights. If you need any more information, please don't hesitate to give me a phone call. Speak soon.